Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing another shirt today and thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So I made some shirts yesterday, one for my brother, one for my husband. Those were the Deadpool shirts. And I wanted to make a second shirt for my brother. And I was online just Googling, looking for, like a funny shirt. And I found one. I was like, oh, that's actually not bad. And decided, well, let's see what Design Space has. Like maybe I can kind of create it. So I actually found almost the identical image. So it was a Sasquatch. So I was like, oh, let's see what's in Sasquatch land. And the shirt that I found online said hide and seek champion. And it was a picture of a Sasquatch and two small trees. So when I came into Design Space, I found this one here. So the only two differences between the one I found online and this one is one, the words hide and seek and champion are above and below and they're curved. And then on the edges were the two small trees and then just the Sasquatch more defined in the middle. So I found this one and went, well, that actually I think looks a lot better. So make them a bit bigger. Let's zoom in. So my brother likes funny shirts, and I think he'll get a pretty good kick out of this one because it made me chuckle. I like funny shirts as well. So I'm going to get this cut out and let's get it on a shirt. And I'm also going to do one for my husband because I just told him the story and asked him if he wanted one. And he was like, yeah, because that's a funny thing. He's the champion, obviously. No one's ever found him. Okay, let's get this guy weeded out. First shirt is ready to go. I have lint rolled it, preheated it, put my crease in. It looks like this shirt's a little sewn off, not quite straight, so hopefully this will end up looking good. So we've got the center line right about there. Again, fold your guy in half, line up your corners. Give it a pinch. So there, that's what the white one is going to look like. This is Cricut iron-on, just the regular one. You got to do 315 for 30 seconds on the front. Good pressure. So I'm on my tiptoes, putting my weight down onto the shirt. Slowly counting down. That's upside down for you guys. Sorry about that. There we go. And just checking to see how it's looking. So, I'll give this a second to cool off. I'm actually going to do the back with the liner still on there. Just curious to see. Normally I take it off and I can see it's actually popping off on its own. Now, if you have troubles figuring out where to press on the back, I just look for the marking that my Easy Press left. So just watch for that. So it's right here. Then I place my parchment right over it. And we got to do 15 seconds on the back. They want light pressure, but I'm going to do a bit more pressure. I don't want this guy coming off. Okay. So let's see how this is going to come off. Looking pretty good so far. Looks like I might have to do just another quick press on the top. So let's do that. This is a pretty big image, so there we go. Trying not to stretch the iron on. I find sometimes it's easier to kind of pull at different angles so everything comes off nice. So I think that looks fantastic. Now for the second one, which you didn't see me weed out, let's pull that shirt in here while the first one cools off. So this one is a green shirt. This one's for my husband. So I've had this shirt for a while and just couldn't think of anything to put on it. You know, the typical hum and haw. Get the center crease in this one as well. I'm happy with that. I'm going to give this one a quick lint roll because I can't remember if I did or didn't. There we go. And this one I'm going to put black on. I find black is the most common color I tend to use for HDV and iron on. Don't know why I moved that out of the way. There we go. I'm happy there. Not looking straight on the shirt. says it's straight on my crease line. I'm going to crease it again. Okay, I replaced it. I'm happier with this go round. It does look straighter. So yeah, if your eyes are telling you one thing, listen to them. Okay, let's get this one off. It is peeling up very nicely. So there's the two shirts. I actually really like both of them. So the green, I think, makes a great background with the black, and I like the white on the black as well. So obviously there's other colors you could choose. If I had to pick between these two, I think I would pick the green and black one. Looks a bit more foresty, a bit more Sasquatchy. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.